Alright, welcome to First Impressions. Get ready with me. I have a mask that's been on my face for too long. I got a little distracted because I just uploaded a video and I don't have the settings on to where it's not made public quite yet, so yeah, I had to deal with that. I had to work on the description box. So if you're curious, the mask that I used was the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. It's a hydrating and whatever mask. I have a chamomile and lavender, there we go, spray. Yeah, we're not going to talk about these nails because they're bad. So I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be trying some new products. I have a number of new things that I want to try. I have been using this for a while. This is a lip scrub. I wasn't really considering this to be part of, the new products because I have been using it. Anyway, this lip scrub is called Mint Mojito, and I'm going to be using some lip balm. It's a vegan lip balm, Soothing Touch. Hello, autofocus. Picked this up in a coffee shop. Ugh, the mix between the scrub and that is heavenly. Alright, so for one of the products that I will be trying for the first time, I have a moisturizer by Clinique. So, such a long title. Not even worth it. Let's see. Oh, that came out faster than I wanted it to. Ooh, I like that. Feels nice. Don't forget the 5 head and the double chin. Oh man, I am ready. And I'm gonna go right in with my Avon True eye primer. While we're priming, I'm gonna go in with another new sample that I got. Primer by Dr. Brandt. It's a pore refiner primer. See how this goes. I don't know anything about this. Oh, of course it's not open. Hello, pigment. Curious? Has like a clean smell. I don't know if that's a good thing. Lately I've been using my brush for primer, but because this has pigment, I don't want to because I'm not ready to wash my brushes yet. I don't want to add anything to my primer brush right now. Ooh, it changed. It's like a menthol. I wish I could be more descriptive. I'm not totally sold on this. Alright, I'm gonna go right into my eyes. I'm jumping in with my, my Naked Heat palette. My transition shade will be Chaser, which, hello Pan. Got Pan on this a while ago, but I am pretty harsh with my shadows because I'm not afraid to use product. I'm only light-handed if I need it to be. Like if I'm like using it for the first time or something, yeah, I'll have a lighter hand just to see how it works, but once I get comfortable with something, oh, it's all balls to the wall. Alright, the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Sauced. I'm applying that right to the crease, all the way through the crease, and a little bit high because kind of got a little hood going on. Next I'm going in with Low Glow. I'm kind of just keeping that up on the outer crease, still pulling it up and over. Next I'm going to take my packing brush and I'm going to go in with a shade that I actually haven't used in a while. En Fuego! I always have to say it like that. That's how I hear it in my head when I look at it. I'm going to bring that down to my lid just a little bit, but I'm still keeping it on the outer edge. Okay, so next I'm going to add Ounce to the brow and blend it down. Alright, so I'm going to add some shimmer to this shit, and I'm going to take my Makeup Forever setting spray and wet a brush. Kind of got a flat top brush here. On the outer part of the lid, out of my Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to go in with Dimension, and then I'm going to use Lucid on the inner part. We'll see how this goes. I just re-wet my brush, kind of cleaned it off, and now I'm going to go in with that other shade, Lucid. I don't really like these as much as I do the heavy metals as far as getting that shimmer on there. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I think I might go back in with the En Fuego just a little bit to add some dimension. I will come back to that. I have this Cover FX Enhancer Drops, another new product, little sample. For today, I'm going to add it before my foundation, maybe get in there, and join the Instagram trend of putting shit on your face. Whoa! Is this real life? What am I doing? Am I using this right? Well, I guess I should have, Yeah, I don't think I used that right. Oh my god, I have to go to work today. What is going on? What? 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 Right now? What? Okay, so maybe this is a highlighter. Guys. We need to take a brief pause because I gotta document this shit. It's not even coming off my hand. It's fine. Everything's fine here. Oh my god. Well, screw you, hair. Wanted you another one. Wanted you anyways. It does look worse in the camera than it does. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Do some foundation and see if there's any saving this face. Obviously using my Urban Decay Naked Skin. Hello. I don't pray. Right now is the time in my life where start. Lord. Okay, we're gonna save it. Seriously, and the Get Ready With Me that I just uploaded was me saving my eyeshadow. So now it's me saving my actual face. What's next? This brush is only doing so much for me. I have a pre-dampened beauty blender. I don't know if any of you know this, but I've only recently started using damp beauty blenders. I mean, like, actually damp with, like, water, not just like, oh, I'm gonna use a little bit of setting spray. And I was like, oh, this is actually a lot nicer than I was thinking because I was actually using it the right frickin' way. Holy crap. Well, this is fucking great. Alright, another new product that I realize is not open.
I'm not prepared for life.
Well, that was protected. So as y'all know, I go through concealer like I go through underwear. And I have the Sephora brand Bright Future Concealer Gel Serum. That's fucking weird. Wow, that applies nice. Hey, if this goes well, I may be getting a couple more of these. Haha! Yeah, I know I normally use some on my chin. Today is not the day. Maybe it is. I do alternate with, I've seen, you know, I've read different things like, oh, don't put concealer on underneath your foundation because, like, you'll use more, but I will honestly use the same freaking amount. And if I set the concealer under my foundation, I feel like it works better that way for me. Speaking of setting, I'm gonna set my under eyes with my L'Oreal Perfecting Loose Powder. Hello. Pretty much convinced now that I don't think the camera likes this stuff. I do. I like it. It works. I will be adding more powder soon. Freaking covered in it! I have this tipped upside down. This is my Bare Minerals Fairly Medium C20, the original foundation. The old style original foundation, by the way, because that was actually why I was comparing in my last Get Ready With Me, which is months ago now because I filmed it months ago, but alright, here's a fun timeline for you. I filmed it on July, the last one. Well, I think there might have been one in between. I actually don't remember, but the one that I just uploaded today, which is the 6th. So today's September 6th. And I just uploaded the Get Ready from July 10th. So, I wonder what today is. And by today, I mean I'm uploading it on this day, or whatever day this is in the future. Ooh, I'm glad this is coming together because I did not know what to think with that cover effects. Hello. We just talked about the fact that it's September right now. It's like 2 months till Thanksgiving. I'm hungry. Alright, I'm gonna go into my chocolate gold palette and I'm just gonna take So Bougie, buff that on my under eye, and then I'm gonna blend everything with Rollin' in Dough. I thought about doing a full under eye, but really, I'm like, I don't want to put the time in, so fuck it. Where's my buffing brush? I'm hungry. For real though, like, I need to, like, get my ass in gear. I still have 2 other small little portions to film, and eat dinner, and then go to work. So, I'm going into my Too Faced palette now, and Honey Butter down here at the bottom, with an angled brush, is going in my brows today, after I comb them. That, and I got this stupid piece of crap with one of my brush sets, and I gotta give it a purpose. I suppose I could wash it and just give it away to someone who actually uses it, but is there anyone that uses that kind of brush? No one that I know, because everyone else uses freaking spoolies. So now to finish off the face, for bronzer, I'm using my Lorac bronzer in Pool Party. Dear brush, please pick up some. I don't want to go that heavy now. Can we not get a happy medium today? Like, is that a thing? Hello? I do like that. Nice. For blush, I'm going in with my Avon True Classic Aura. I guess I can open it so you can freaking see it. Like, hello.
Hello, this is fine, yes.
Heavy-handed much, Manda?
Oh,
Well, it looks like I have lipstick on, but I don't. Surprise, bitch. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'm going to go in with my Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise. I'm gonna go in with Get Laid. No, I'm not. Am I? No, Vacation. Christmas Vacation. Ooh, that should be like a gay porno where they're on like Christmas vacation, but it's like an orgy. Why do I think of things like this? Oh, yes. Well, we might as well go in with Bebe Girl and like do my... Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit up on right there, nose, chin. There's no such thing as too much highlighter. I don't give a fuck. Ask Nikki Tutorials. The most beautiful woman on the planet. Whoa. Alrighty. So, I'm going to set this face, and then once I feel confident with that, I will finish it off with my eyeliner and lip stuff. And yes, I use my Makeup Forever. And as an update, alright, I'm gonna let this dry. Finish off this look, going in with Old Faithful here, my Maybelline Define the Line. Totally had a piece of fuzz on my nose. Alright, so I'm going to end this video with 2 more new products. I have a Marc Jacobs mascara sample, Velvet Noir Major Volume. I haven't even looked at the brush yet. First time opening this right now. Alright, I don't hate it so far. Let's see how it goes. So far, so good. Wow, I think I need to throw away my other mascara because this is acting totally different. Wow, I've not been actually wowed by mascara. Can we just talk about that for a second? I haven't been wowed by mascara in a long fucking time, dude. Do I want to know how much this retails for because it's Marc Jacobs? Thank you, Sephora points. Holy fuck. It's, oh my god, I love it. Alright, so I'm going to end this by... Anyway, my Makeup Forever Matte Liquid Lips is 105 at the bottom. A little chunky. I think there's too much on my applicator. Wow, I thought this color was going to be similar to some of the colors that I have, but it's not. I am actually pleasantly surprised with this, how this look came out today. Hopefully I'll remember to insert a picture. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to doing another one sometime soon. So until the next time, thanks for watching.